Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. So in today's video, I wanted to try something new. Today I wanted to do an extreme anime look. There's just something so captivating and magical about the transformation of anime makeup because you make your eyes look so big and it's so fascinating to me. I really want to dive into that style today and try it for myself. I'm also very, very honored to mention that today's video is sponsored by the game Love Nikkie. Love Nikkie contacted me and they were like, hey, we really want you to try our game, and if you end up liking it, maybe we can do a sponsorship. And I played the game. I mean, I'm already loving this game because it's got my name in it. And here is the opening scene. Ooh, free stuff. So this is what it looks like. And to start, you have to tap. Love Nikkie is about Nikkie, and Nikkie embarks on a magical journey through 7 nations. So basically what this game is about is that you have a journey through these 7 nations and you come across all these stylists and designers and you have to battle them. And these styles vary from casual everyday fashion to fairy tales, to sci-fi, to gowns, to glamour. Every style is in this game. My favorite part about the game is that you can buy new stuff, you can buy new hairdos, you can buy makeup, and this is what really makes it fun for me because I love shopping and I love dressing up my little doll. I love dressing up Nikkie myself. You can also play this game with your friends, and I am currently sitting on 0 friends, so please invite me to be your friend and maybe we can play this game together. And also in the description box is a link to a giveaway, and this giveaway will give you free items in the game. So clothing, hair, free items is always a good thing in my book. I'll leave a link down below in the description box on where you can download this game. I highly suggest you trying it out, even if it's just downloading and seeing what it's all about, because I really think it's a lot of fun. I'm not just saying that because I'm getting paid. So without any further ado, if you would like to see me transform into an anime character inspired by Love Nikkie the game and just anime in and of itself, then please keep on watching. Not gonna lie, you guys, I'm kind of freaking out about this tutorial slash transformation because I have no idea where this is going. I'm just playing off some of my favorites, Miss Game Matt on Instagram and Kimchi, and just anime in general, and it's freaking me out a little, but I'm here to learn and try, and please don't judge me too hard. So the first thing I'm gonna do, this is like, skin is gonna be the most easy step for me because I can just do what I always do. I don't have to worry, I don't have to be scared. Skin is the simple step of the day. Now in a lot of extreme anime transformations, I see that people block out their brows to completely cover them up and create a set of new brows for themselves. I'm not gonna do that. I feel like I want all this sort of illusion to be right here as opposed to up here. Time for a nice mix of foundation. Concealer time. And I'm going to set it and forget it using the Fit Me Loose powder by Maybelline. Okay, so who is ready for a crazy reveal? I did some work off camera to gather my thoughts, and hello. So this is wildly inspired by Miss Gay Matt on Instagram. He is a drag queen that is known for this eye look. He's also the creator of the Bratz doll look. And I feel like I kind of changed and altered it a little to make it more anime. All right, some prayers to me, please, because I hope this eye will look a little bit like 10% the same of this side. Okay, where did I start? The first thing I did was prime, so let me do that. Now I'm gonna go in with a brown, warm brown, and kind of sketch out where I want my new crease to go to. And I'm definitely creating a lot of space here for a new lid. I'm kind of following the hollowness of my actual bones, like where my brow bone starts, sort of in that hollow is where I place this line. And please don't worry if you don't get this super, super neat at the first go, because we're just gonna sketch it out and blend it out. And then we're gonna carve the lid out with concealer again to get it nice and tight. Then on a Buff and Blend BB14 brush, I'm gonna buff this out using the same color. So I'm just focusing on blending this out and getting it nice and soft because this is essentially gonna be your new crease. Picking up a lighter, warmer shade as a transition and making it even softer. And now taking a darker brown and really going in and intensifying that detail. All right, so now that we've got the base crease done, it's now time to clean it up and carve it out to create our new lid. Setting it with a shimmery white shadow. And all the shadows I've been using so far are by Juvia's Place. And I'll put down below in the description box what exactly I'm using. Guys, we're doing this one step at a time, so don't feel like you have to be rushed, or whenever you're doing this for a party or for a look, take your time. It's now time for the black eyeliner, and we're gonna cover the entire lid, as you can see, and I have a nice little trick for that to see how far you can go. So you take your liner and you're gonna put it on the base of your lash line. Okay, look up. That line is gonna show you how far you have to go at least to not get any transfer. So that line is gonna be my guide. Time for our wing. Okay, that is the overall shape. Now with the same black gel liner, I'm gonna fill this all in. Now I'm gonna set that liner with a black shadow, also by Juvia's Place. Using a nude eye pencil, I'm gonna sketch out my brand new eye. And you wanna let it start from within that new inner corner, dragging it down, creating a nice little tear duct point area, and then we'll see. I'm kind of following the natural socket of my eye. When I squint, my eyeball kind of pushes out. Right underneath is where I want my new eyeball to be. Taking those browns again and acting as if I'm applying eyeshadow to my lower lash line, although my new lower lash line is right there. This look is gonna look like trash until the last step, so trust the process, and also don't take ugly screenshots, thank you. Just taking that warm sort of orangey color that I applied as a transition shade in my new crease, and this is the color I'm using to blend the brown out with. All right, time for the fun stuff. Now I'm gonna carve out the whites of my new eyeball. This is a Krylon TV paint stick in white, and I'm just gonna apply it right there and leave a little ball pupil open. Setting that with a white shadow. With the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Liner in the color Revolver, I am drawing in a new pupil. And then because I naturally have bluer eyes, I'm gonna take a little bit of this eyeshadow topper, a holographic eyeshadow topper by Barry M, and this is in the color Asteroid, and just dousing this in the middle makes it so pretty. And a little bit of dark blue liner right here where the new eyeball is, like the pupil, will hide that gap of skin. Boom. All right, time for additional shading and highlighting. This is what's really gonna bring this eye to life. So with that nude pencil, I'm just gonna carve out the white of the eye into an actual eyeball shape because right now it's a little weird. Filling that in with a little bit of pink. And now it's time for the highlighting, and this is what's gonna transform this eye. So we're gonna add a nice glare of wetness right here on the actual pupil, like I did over here. It will make the eye look more realistic and wet, and just dots of wetness like you would see in your own eye. Okay, now for the fun part, the lower lashes. These are Elegant Lashes in Freedom number 2, and I take a long one on the outer corner, a short one in the center, and then a long one again. Okay, then for the top, we need some big old drag lashes, and these are also by Elegant Lashes. These are Euphoria number 2. You know, so funny, when I close my eyes, it still looks like I have eyes. Hello. Okay, so time for blush, and I wanna do a nice subtle like pop of pink going from the eye onto the cheek. And also a little bit onto my temples. I'm gonna now contour my nose to make it look as tiny and cute and anime as possible. A little bit of highlight. Oh, that's a lot. For lips, I want to do a nice gradient nude lip, so I'm gonna try. And then for lip gloss, I'm taking Fenty Beauty. All right, let me put on a wig and I'll be right back. And there it is, guys. I am now Love Nikkie's sister from Nation Earth. Nikkie. Oh my God, was it a struggle bus to get here, but I am loving this extreme anime transformation. Again, I wanna thank Love Nikkie so much for sponsoring this video. I'll leave all their info down below. Don't forget about the giveaway and don't forget to check out their game. Thank you for giving me this inspiration for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.